Yes. Today, as I mentioned in the class agenda, that we are going to discuss about Global English topic school lunch. Before that, I want to ask you, yes, I want to ask, before that, I want to ask you about this adverbs. Day before yesterday on Friday, not Saturday, 2 days back, we discussed about adverbs and their types. Yes. So now you tell me adverbs and their types. How many adverbs and their types we have discussed?
Ma'am, 6.
6. Okay. Very good, Pranav. And what are those? Can you tell me?
Manner,
adjective of place, adjective of time, adjective of numbers.
Yes.
And
Frequency.
manner, place, time, frequency, and number.
Yes, yes, yes. So now there is one more bit we have to complete here. Page number 18. Once open, everyone.
Opening, ma'am. Ma'am, what's the page?
Page number 18 of course book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am, page number 16, 17 not completed.
Not completed, but based on the adverbs, we have one bit to complete in page number 18. Just open question number 6, V1, Roman number 6. Yes.
Yes.
Underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Mention the types in each box given beside the sentence. So here, I think we didn't get the box beside the sentence. You got the box? Everyone got the...
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
The box is missing. That's okay. So we will do one thing. We will underline, we will put a line beside the sentence and we will write it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One small line you can draw with the help of scale, a straight line. You can do it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
And now we will write in that line. Okay. So first one, I will read you. You tell me what is, you have to identify the adverb in that sentence and you have to tell what type of adverb is that. Okay. She agreed to do the sum gladly. What is an adverb in that?
Ma'am, manner.
Gladly.
Gladly. And what type of adverb is that? Yes, Pranav, you are right.
Adjective of manner.
Yes, adverb of manner. Very good. And second one, B. She came here a few minutes ago. Gladly, children, you have to underline gladly in the A sentence. Underline gladly. That is a adverb. And write adverb of manner. And in the second sentence,
Second one is place. Second one is frequency.
Number.
Time. Second one is time.
yeah, time. No time.
Ma'am, time only, ma'am.
Are
Adverb of number.
not number also.
Ma'am, it is time only.
No time, beta. Particular time is not given there. We are talking about here, there, place.
Ma'am,
Underline,
place.
place. Underline here, H-E-R-E here. And write there adverb of place. I always try to do my best.
Frequency.
Try. Underline, try and tell me what type of adverb is that?
Frequency.
No. Try. Frequency means frequently.
Manner.
Manner. Yes. Adverb of manner.
Ma'am, what is second one?
Adverb of place. My brother is working hard for the examination. Hard. Underline hard and tell me. Hard is an adverb there. And tell me what type of adverb is that?
Adverb of manner.
Yes. Again, adverb of manner. Good. And next one. Is your father inside? Underline inside. Inside is an
Adverb of
adverb.
place.
Very good. Inside, outside, where is he? We are talking about the place. So that is the adverb of.
Ma'am, once join me again, ma'am.
Okay. Adverb of place. Clear?
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Yes. Did you understand now adverbs, types of adverbs, everything? Yes. So we will go to a new topic now.
Ma'am,
Now, yes, Viraj.
ma'am, what is first one?
She agreed to do the sum gladly. Gladly is an adverb. And what type of adverb is that?
Verb of manner.
Adverb of manner.
Adverb of. Yes, ma'am.
So school lunch. Here we are going to read about school lunches around the world and identify what objects are made of, talk about quantities of food and drink. And we are going to read about how chocolates is made. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to read and listen to an extract from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. All these things we are going to read in this chapter. So first we will read about school lunches around the world. So here are few children with their lunch boxes. Let's see what are the things they brought for their lunch. Let's start with Mary. My name is Mary. I am from France. Okay. I want Siri Chandana to read this paragraph. Siri Chandana, are you there?
Ma'am, what are you writing?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Siri Chandana.
Means I went for drank water.
Siri Chandana. She's not responding.
Can I read?
Sannidhi. Sannidhi.
Ma'am? Ma'am, can I read?
Sannidhi.
Ma'am?
What are you doing, Sannidhi? Where are you?
Ma'am?
Read that first sentence, first paragraph, not sentence.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you clearly now.
You are playing your TV there. TV sounds are there. TV sounds I can hear. And how can you hear my voice?
Sister is watching, ma'am.
Pranit Rana. Children, I am warning you all. I just want everyone to turn on your videos.
Ma'am.
Turn on your camera, otherwise I will put you in the waiting room. Huria, Samanyu, Ashish, Siddhant, Indivar, CH Akshay, Netra, everyone. Sanidhi, Siri Chandana, Nirvi, on your videos. Those who didn't turn on the videos, I already put them in the waiting room. They are in the waiting room now.
My name is Mary. I am from France. I have lunch at school every day. Lunch is the biggest meal of the day in my country. At school, we usually have salad to start. Salad to start, then some fish or meat with pasta
With
or
pasta.
ri-
With pasta.
with pasta or rice. Next, we have some cheese and then desserts, which is usually a piece of fruit.
Okay. So children, you see the lunch. Mostly the lunch in France will be the lunch will be provided by the schools. So first, how they have to start the lunch, with what they have to start the lunch? They have to start the lunch with salad, right? What do you mean by salad? Do you know what is salad? You can unmute those who know the answer.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Yes.
Salad is a
They
food
give
made
onions
with
like
all
vegetables or fruits.
Okay.
Salad means they will give vegetables.
Yes, vegetables like onion or cucumber, carrot, okay, cabbage, any other vegetables, okay, in the form of salad. They'll be having this salad first. And after the salad, what they have to do? They have to take some fish or meat with pasta or rice. Do you know pasta? Yes. Okay. You know pasta. Very good. So with pasta or rice, they will take some fish or meat, and then after that cheese, and then dessert means sweet, a sweet dish. Okay, and what will be the sweet dish? Mostly you tell me. Mostly the sweet dish will be a piece of fruit. They'll finish their lunch with a piece of fruit. Okay, and that is the biggest meal in France. Next one. CH Akshay, you read the second paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, I am Palo. At school, my favorite snack is it's a muffin.
Snack is Geja Dinhas.
Gijandas, it's a muffin made from cheese and coconut. Today we are having a green salad to start then rice and beans. For the main course, we got meat. We got meat and vegetable in a sauce and a banana for dessert.
Okay. So who is talking about the lunch now? Who is talking about the lunch here? Children? You can
Palo.
Palo.
Yes. Paulo. See here. Paulo is the boy who is telling about his snack here. That is Geja Dinhas. It's a muffin. Okay, made from cheese and coconut. Today we are having a green salad to start, then rice and beans. For the main course, we have got meat and vegetables in a sauce and a banana for dessert. See, the fruit. This is the proper diet, children, which they are taking. It's a very good diet. See, first they are starting with a muffin or a salad, or then they are going to have a rice, okay, then beans, and then they are going to have some meat with vegetables and sauce, okay, meat, vegetables in a sauce, and then a banana for a dessert. Even we take banana in our school as a dessert, right?
Ma'am, in our school we had like this menu, ma'am.
Yes. You
Ma'am,
don't
just keep
know?
on, ma'am, every day. Ma'am, I don't eat in mess, no, ma'am.
Okay, we are also following this, Ritan. Then I'm going to show you the muffins, which here Paulo has discussed. That is Gujadin has. It's a muffin made from cheese and coconut. You want to see the muffins? Okay, see. These are the muffins. And you can see there what is written there. Yes. Muffins. These are all muffins. Looking so nice, you know? Made of coconut and cheese. Cheese and coconut. Different colors you can see, designs you can see. Okay. Yes. And next one. Hi, my name is Sachi. I'm from Japan. Oh, she's from Japan. The school lunch, or see, they are having another name for the lunch. What is that? Kyushokos. Yeah. Kyushokos is the lunch. They call it as we call them in Japanese, are very healthy. We eat lunch in our classroom and we eat with chopsticks. Do you know chopsticks? Yes. Okay, good. So they eat with the chopsticks. On today's menu, there is a salad. There is a salad with carrots and onions, and the soya bean soup, followed by pork, rice, and black beans. Do you know soya beans? You don't know? You want to see? Okay. One by one, I will tell you. Have patience. Okay. Just wait. I'm going to show you that also. These are the soya beans. You can see.
And what?
Okay. If we cook this, it's very tasty. You want to see the
Ma'am,
dishes
one
of
day
soya
we
beans?
I ate.
See, soya beans, how it is cooked.
Yes, ma'am, I ate this.
Okay, these are the soya beans. And now I will show you the pork. Pork is nothing but it's a meat. You can see here. See. Different types of dishes. And I want you people to share about your lunch now. Come on, Viraj, tell me about your lunch. Okay, you think I'll come to you again. Sai Kirtan,
Ma'am,
what about your lunch?
every day I will eat rice, two curries, any curries like beans, and after that I will eat curd.
Okay, you'll add rice with some curries and curd. Okay, and any fruit after the lunch. Okay, fine. Pranav,
Ma'am,
what about your lunch?
today fish curry. I'll
Today,
eat with fish and
today's
I'll
today's
eat with
today's lunch. You tell me.
fish and rice.
Fish and rice. Okay, rice with fish curry. Good. And Dharveen,
Ma'am,
hmm, tell me.
ma'am, I'll eat rice with some curries and curd. Then I'll take one banana and one apple.
Okay, good. Kritik Raz,
Ma'am,
tell me about your lunch.
I'll eat some curries and with the end I'll eat curd rice.
Okay. Huria,
First we start with rice. Every day we make different types of curries. We mix it. After finishing, we have some curd rice. And
okay.
after an hour, we eat some fruit.
Okay, good. Pranit Rana,
Ma'am.
Pranit Rana,
Ma'am.
tell me about your lunch.
Ma'am, today our lunch is beans, ma'am.
Rice with beans.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Samanyu,
Today for lunch is fried chicken with rice
hmm,
and some curd rice with chicken. And for dessert,
hmm.
popcorn.
Popcorn is a dessert. Sweet popcorn. Okay. Vinmay,
Ma'am, I'll have rice with dal curry. I'll eat rice and after an hour I'll eat fruits, ma'am.
okay. Good. Sritan,
Ma'am, first I'll start with rice and three times I eat rice and I after an hour I eat any dessert.
okay. Sadgun,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me about your lunch.
Ma'am, daily rice with only one type of curry. And after when morning and evening, I'll eat one fruit, ma'am.
Okay. Faizan,
Ma'am, rice with one curry,
hmm,
and after 1 hour, I will eat fruits.
okay. Rohan, make it fast, fast, children. Why you're wasting time? Fast.
Ma'am, rice with spinach curry.
Today, rice with spinach. Okay. Lasya,
Ma'am,
huh?
ma'am, I will start with first. I will start with rice with curry. I don't know what is today's curry.
Okay.
I will first morning. I will start with boost milk, ma'am, and after classes I will start. I will end with lunch and any fruit or if my father brings fruit, I will end with fruit.
Okay. Okay. Sritan is done. Okay. She Netra didn't join with her audio. CH Akshay. No, I will not ask questions for these children, those who didn't turn on the videos. I cannot see them, so I will not ask them questions. Okay, children, so nice to hear about your lunch. Viraj, will you start now?
Yes, ma'am. In
Yes.
starting, I will eat 2 curries and in ending, I will eat curd.
Okay, you'll start rice with 2 curries and at the end, you'll add some curd to your rice. Okay, good. Today onwards, children make a habit of eating salad at first. Salad means nothing, not more, just 1 carrot. Okay, peel out. properly. You just peel out that one, clean it, or if you can wash it properly also, that's enough. Wash it, cut it into the pieces and eat that before you're starting your lunch. Or 2 slices of onions, or 3 to 5 slices of cucumber or cabbage. You chop it properly, cabbage, and you can add little salt and a few drops of lemon to your cabbage, and you can eat it as salad. It is very tasty. Don't cook it. You should not cook. You just you just chop finely. You have to chop the cabbage, add 2-3 drops of lemon and just salt, and then eat it like that itself. Okay, then that is a part of your salad. So start with salad, then rice, with any curries, as you told. That's very nice that you are eating all the vegetables, and then add some curd, and give just 10 to 20 minutes time, and have a fruit as a part of your dessert. And it's a complete diet, my dear. You have to follow it. You'll be very healthy. You'll get the proper energy to fight with all the diseases. Got it? Very good.